Hello, welcome. The game I decided to choose to play is Space Invaders, a very classic game designed by Tomohiro Nishikado and released in 1978. It's a very common game. Honestly, you really can't go anywhere without hearing. Like everyone's pretty much heard about this game. It's an oldie, very good. Well, obviously it's an oldie, but it's very good. It's definitely inspired many games. Um, I would assume in the shooter genre, considering you are shooting primarily in this game. Um, it's very simple. The graphics really aren't too crazy. It's an 8-bit game. It's not. It's no more complex than it needs to be. It's really just. You'll see right now as we play here. Here it lists the enemies you can destroy. But first, the scenario. Basically, you are defending the Earth from waves of various space invaders, quote unquote, aliens basically. And simply enough, you just have to destroy them before they get to Earth. There are three enemies here. This jellyfish-looking fellow, he's the most common enemy, usually listed at the bottom. So they'll take the first attacks. They give you 10 points, and like I said, they're pretty much fodder. So they give you 10 points. These crab-looking fellows give you 20. They rest in the middle of the squadron that's falling down. I'll show you that as we play. And then there's these squid-looking guys. They give you 30 points. They rest at the top of the chain and are obviously the hardest to hit just because they're so far away. You need to precisely aim your shots. And this guy, this spaceship, is clearly the mothership, or at least some kind of mysterious, how should I say, mysterious ship that's aiding in the attack. I'm guessing it says here there's no points, or at least the amount of points is unknown. That means it's a special bonus if you can attack it. It's very hard to hit because it moves very quickly. I haven't been able to hit it, but who knows? I just might. And I believe that's all from now. The character is you are like I would assume a tank, and you're just shooting up into the atmosphere, trying to destroy the space invaders. So let's go ahead and start playing so you can see everything in action. As you can see here, the enemies come down. They're all neatly organized into a solid group. I can only shoot once at a time, but it takes one shot to actually kill them, so it's not too difficult. Here comes that other space invader I told you about. See how it moves very quickly? So if they hit you like that, you die. One shot is all it takes. Luckily, they give you 3 lives. I just wasted one stupidly. But I'm just showing you how to play, so here we go. So as you notice, you are green. To distinguish you from the enemy, of course, they're white. And see the green structures here? They act as like some kind of defensive structures to help you out, to block you from attacks. However, they do disintegrate over time. I'm sorry, not over time, over like amount of shots they take. And that includes your shots too, as you can see here. So be very careful when you play. You don't want to destroy your only defense. Aside from moving, of course. But it's always good to have some extra defense. There's that red spaceship up there. I'll see if I can get it. He's not coming down. So if you notice, as you play, they can only move horizontally until they reach the end of the level of the space available to them. And as they do that, they go down one level. If you also notice, the tempo in the background keeps picking up the more they go down. Your goal is to destroy them before they reach you. So that's why you want to take out those big jellyfish-looking guys quickly, because they're going to reach first. See, it's getting much faster now. Here we go. As you can see, they're obviously increasing the amount of... I got him, nice. I couldn't see how many points that was, unfortunately. I died. They're game over. See, as they reach the bottom, it gets much more difficult. And that's pretty much just the game. There's really no variations. It's just that. But who said that you need to be too complex to have fun? Like, it's a very simple game. It's a very simple goal, and that's all you need. This is a fun game. It's definitely withstood the test of time, and I hope you get to play it. Please enjoy. I hope you've enjoyed this.